Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you what we could do with our leftover fried chicken. See, today's video is actually inspired to me by the Japanese KFC rice, which has been going viral on the internet. So I've decided to put a twist into its flavor, and it's not necessarily that you have to use KFC's fried chicken. I've got other fried chickens, and today I'm using 2 pieces of leftover fried chicken from yesterday's dinner, and I've got 2 tablespoons of dried oregano leaves. I've got 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of paprika, a cup of washed rice, and a bowl of chicken stock. And also not to forget to have some salt and pepper for some seasoning, and a good old rice cooker. So let's start cooking, shall we, Ashton? Okay, let's start cooking. Okay, let's start by pouring the rice. And now we add the garlic powder, paprika, the dried oregano leaves, and the soy sauce. A little bit of salt, just for a little bit of flavors. And let's put in some white pepper. Give it a stir. Let's place the chicken on top of it. It's so simple, just like that. Close it and select it on white rice. Just start. And now it's the waiting game. And it's done. Let's see the turning on. Ooh, the smell. Smells so good. Now let's take the chicken out. And now you can see the meat is so soft and tender. You just rip it apart, take all the meat out, debone it. And once it's deboned, we'll break it into smaller pieces. Now let's continue breaking it to smaller pieces, possibly as small as possible. Yeah. There we have it. Shredded chicken. And now let's put it into the rice, mix it all up. Here we go. Put the chicken into the rice. Stir thoroughly. Hey, at last our leftover chicken rice is ready. As you see, with all our herbs and ingredients that we put inside. Wow, looks so nice. Ooh, am I right, Ashton? It looks so nice. It looks delicious. delicious. Just try a mouth. See how it tastes. Mmm. 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 Tastes so good. Could actually do this to all sorts of leftover fried chicken that we have at home. Doesn't go to waste. Am I right? Anyway, I hope today's channel is useful to you, and I hope to see you again in our next episode. See you again, and bye-bye. Ashton, say bye-bye. Bye-bye.